Okay, it's January 18, year 2011. Okay, I want to show my shuttle just in case somebody want to see it or want to purchase it. Okay, so let me show you my shuttle, Hirobo Shuttle 30 size. This is how it look like. Okay, I'll show you around. There. Okay. I'll give you a 360 view so you have the idea how it look like. There. Okay. This is made of all metal. Okay, metal. There, everything is made of metal. Okay, it's original Hirobo. Maybe let's put some light there. Okay, now let's try to open the canopy. I hope you can now see it clearly. Okay, we'll open it, the canopy, and see what's inside look like. Okay. Okay, I'm using just there. This is my there's the GY240 and a standard 9001 servo. Okay, and let me show you the other side. Okay, it's also there's 9001, except the throttle servo is 3001. Okay, I use a high-tech receiver. That's 7-channel. I use LiPo battery, and that's my homemade voltage regulator. Okay, it's very reliable, and the engine is very strong. Nice muffler, huh? This muffler is designed for 37. It used to be a 37 engine, but I replaced it with 32 because the 37 engine used too much fuel. Okay, so there you can see the condition of the engine. Okay, maybe show the tail. The tail is using a very new Shuttle Plus. Oh, metal. Look at the swash plate. The swash plate is made of aluminum, metal, silver aluminum. Okay, that's about it. Thank you.